Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram feeds not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and now just search for feeds and click on it. Now once you're here, all you have to do, just click force stop and then go to storage and then click clear cache, and now just go back and restart your phone, and after restarting your phone you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.